Good morning students. In previous video we have seen importance of marketing, page number 73, chapter number 9. So dear students, all of you knows there is too much importance of marketing. Okay, without marketing, we can't increase our productions or we can't increase our price of that particular product. So there are so many ways of marketing nowadays in modern era. For example, we have seen e-marketing, e-shopping, online tradings, okay, advertisement, okay, all this means due to this happening due to the information technology. We have seen some examples. Dhundiba was farmers, but he was uneducated. He produced a large quantity in their farms, but he get very less money because he didn't know how to increase the rate. Okay, because he produced in local levels, means he was not able to do all these things, marketings. But when his son was college boy, he know very well how to increase, okay, how to do marketing, okay, then automatically the rate of his products or commodity, okay, increase. That's why we are saying that advertisement making the customer feel the need to buy the goods or the rise. So okay, due to the advertisements, all of you are aware of advertisement or ad. Okay, you can see every day different type of advertisement on televisions, newspapers. Okay, why they are doing all this? To increase their productions. Okay, so dear students, we have seen in the internet, or you can say computer age, there are so many ways, and with the help of that internet, okay, we have different choices. Customer have different type of choices, means we can buy different type of products, okay, by our choice. So if the product is advertised using incorrect information, fraudulent means are making exaggerated statement to cheat the consumers, pointing out the shortcoming of the competitor, then advertisement tend to lose your trust many times. So what happens, कभी कभी क्या होता है, sometimes what happens, कि जो एडवर्टाइजर है, ओके, अपना प्रोडक्ट का क्वालिटी अच्छा दिखाने के लिए कभी कभी दे डिसीव द कंज्यूमर्स, उसको चीट करना चाहते हो, ओके, मतलब टू अट्रैक्ट द कंज्यूमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए उसको चीट करता है, ओके, टू सेल देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो वी हैव टू शॉर्टकमिंग देयर, वी हैव राइट्स, ओके, फॉर दैट our government has made consumer protection act for that. So okay, those advertiser or those we can say manufacturers made such type of fraudulence or you can say fake advertisement, okay, for on that fake advertisement, okay, you can take actions. So therefore, while advertising, it is necessary to follow the rule and regulations. So okay, कोई भी एडवर्टाइज बनाने के पहले जो रूल है, ओके, जो रेगुलेशंस है वो फॉलो करना चाहिए. द कंज्यूमर शुड आल्सो बिहेवियर ऑफ सच एडवर्टाइजमेंट, और जो कंज्यूमर्स है, ओके, जो कस्टमर है, उस सभी ने उसके बारे में बिहेवियर रहना चाहिए. ये तो आजकल देख रहे हैं हम, वही पॉइंट में, ओके, दैट पॉइंट आल्सो वंस अगेन I would like to repeat these points. Okay, many we can say advertiser or manufacturers, they are making different type of advertisement to increase their productions, to increase their rate of their productions, and they want to cheat दे वांट टू अट्रैक्ट द कंज्यूमर्स, कंज्यूमर को अट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसको चीट करते कभी भी। बट वी हैव राइट टू नोटिस और टू चेक दैट प्रोडक्शन इज राइट और रॉन्ग, वो प्रोडक्शन राइट है या रॉन्ग है। ओके, इस तरह के टोटल और डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन इज अवेलेबल ऑन योर इंटरनेट। इंटरनेट में सभी प्रोडक्शन के बारे में जानकारी होती है। तो मतलब उसके लिए अपन को क्या बिहेवियर, मतलब बिहेवियर रहना चाहिए, कॉशस रहना चाहिए। दैट इज वाई द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट हैज़ बीन इनएक्टेड। उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, ग्राहक संरक्षण कायदा, कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट बनाया है। उसके तहत ओके, जो भी आपको ऐड में कोई डिफ़ॉल्ट है, डिफ़ॉल्ट दिखता है ओके, कुछ जैसे लगता है कि मतलब वो फॉल्टी है वो प्रोडक्शंस, तो उसका तुम रिपोर्ट या उसका इंफॉर्मेशन वहाँ पे तुम दर्ज कर सकते हो। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इट इज़ नेसेसरी दैट कंज्यूमर रिकॉग्नाइज हिज ओन नीड्स एंड बाय गुड्स एट रीजनेबल रेट्स। So means no one can take, you can say, high price from you, because okay reasonable rate उनका क्या है। okay, कोई भी चीज़ मतलब when we will buy any products or when we will purchase any product, okay, we have a right to check that particular reasonable rate, okay, then their manufacture date, expiry date, okay, all these things we have to see carefully, then we have to buy that particular products. So we have seen we have rights. Government also made the Consumer Protection Act for that. So okay, use carefully the Consumer Protection Act. But nowadays, dear student, what is happening in rural area? Many peoples, many villagers, they are not aware all this. That's why we have seen the shopkeepers, the manufacturers, okay, they cheated, they issue directly to the consumers, and they are, we can say, taking a high price from the poor people, or we can say farmers. So in this way, okay, these are the importance of marketing. So in this lesson, dear student, we have seen about the trade, their types, okay, their importance. So dear student, I hope you will understood the lesson very carefully, okay, very nicely, and we finish this 9th lesson. Okay, next video we will start next lesson, lesson number 10, urbanizations. Okay, so dear students, you have to, if you have workbook or notebook, okay, you have to write all these question answer by reading the lessons. Thank you.